To look at SEO for your website, click SEO on the left-hand side. Here, all your pages will be listed out, and mine all have this warning. If we visit the improvements found for homepage, for example, click this arrow, scroll down, and you can see that Hostinger calls out that the meta description should include a focus keyword, photography tours. Following this recommendation, I could add that here. Hostinger will also call out these other SEO tips that will be best practices for getting our site found. If we scroll back up, we can change the title as well. We can add new keywords. I have 3 of 3, so I'll need to remove one. Click the X here. To add a new keyword, just click this button. I'll say landscape photography and then add. At the very top, you have a toggle to hide the page from search results. And you can use this button to generate new SEO info. When you click that, you can edit your page description for your homepage. Go to the next step. You can select 3 keywords. And finally, you can review how it looks. Then you can click Finish. So using this button is a nice guided way to fill out all this information. Then you can proceed to do this for all of your pages until they're fully optimized.